na kami. So, let's see. Saan kaya tayo pupunta?
What? 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 We're going on.
Nandito kami ngayon sa NAIA Terminal 3. And share ko to sa inyo yung maleta na ito. Ang ganda nito. Mukha ko. Kasi, yun o. Nandito yung bukasan niya. Easy access. Nandito yung food ng baby ko. Yan. Ayan siya. Na-open siya. And then, yung isa sa nagustuhan ko dito, hindi lang siya ganito. Meron siyang seatbelt. Ayan, pwede siyang umupo. And, ayan. Sobrang ganda nito kasi pag mami ka na, ayaw na kasi ni Charlotte umupo sa stroller. So, chinek-in ko na lang yung stroller. So, kung nasa airport ka, and ngayon, may mga dalang gamit, isahin na to. Nak, let's show it. What's in then? Namin ko yung seatbelt. Yes, ride. They want to ride? Okay, wait lang. Yung seatbelt siya. So, tapos, pwede rin so good. So good. Whee! So yun lang. Pagsasakay na yung baby niyo dito, reminder lang, huwag niyo iiwan. Kasi chances pwede pa din ma-auto balance. So, always hawak mo pa rin siya. For convenience lang talaga siya. Whee! Bye! Hello guys! Good job! Wow! Mommy also! Okay, nasan tayo? Nasa? Christmas princess dito sa Hong Kong, sa airport. Yay, nakaland na kami. Finally. Mommy's so tired. Thank you for being kind and being patient to mommy as well. Yay. Go touch anything. Say bye, Santa Claus. Say bye. Yay. Look at me. Hey, Charlotte. Maaga pa. It's 12:20 pa lang. Pero, nag-check-in pa rin tayo sa Novotel. Thank you, Novotel. So big! So big!
请问车车呢？母亲在派对见到你了。
Hold it, hold. Yeah. Hold like that.
Wow, yes. So
Yan.
beautiful. And Olaf is to you, to selfie.
Yeah. Okay, don't move. Okay, smile. Look at mommy. Look at him.
No ice cream.
So, excited ka na na? Are you excited? Binida po muna kami. Tapos na kami mag-photo pass. Photo picture. So, okay na yun siguro. Redeem ko na lang.
Goodness gracious! Oh, yes, a very big waterfall. Ooh, too.
So, it's night time. Pick up naman daw kami. Pick up again? So, walang katapusang pick up. Then tomorrow, baka magyaya na naman ng tayo. Pick up naman kami. It's amazing! Come on, baby ko. So, nagyayaya na siya. Come here. Put it in your head. Put it in your head. Iga na, muhawa?
Please remain seated throughout
Remain
your
seated
voyage.
na. What? Princess. How about that one? What's that? Chess. Are you sure? Hello, Chess. Mermaid daw. Mermaid. So, tapos na kami kumain. And nagbaon lang talaga ako kasi nga I'm sure sobrang haba ng pila. So, punta naman kami ngayon sa taste. What? Castle? Yes, it's a castle. Yes. Okay, let's... lahat ng mga pupunta na may mga babies, may mga kids na maliit. Stroller is must. Kasi bago ka makapunta sa mismo mga rides, sobrang haba. Yung palakad. From doon sa train station. Yun ba? Mahaba-haba. 1 kilometer or 2 kilometer or more. Hindi ko alam. Ayan. Yung baby ko kumakain na. So yun, papunta na kami na Tungsyon. So kung fair, papunta ng Central, yun, ang daming tao. Papuntang Tungsyon. Walang katao-tao. Ang init. Charlotte! So, ang init. December na yan, ah. Ang titik ng araw pala pag gantong oras. Yeah. Anong oras na? It's 11:45. Ayun, konti lang yung tao pag gantong oras. Pag may baby kasi hindi siya, mga isang oras, 2 oras ka sa pila. So, parang makakabagot. So, though, sayang nga. Kung may early park entry ka, much better. So, pag may baby, ang hirap. So far, so good. Ito yung last. Ito yung last na pila sa dulo. We're going railroad train. Aba. Let's wait for the train. Okay. It's a chill ride. Later. Sit on the side. There. There. On the side. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Walkie. Like that. Okay. 1, 2, 3. May painting daw siya. Nakadikit naman yan. It's just a display. Come on. Yes, painting. Cute naman dito. So, kung gusto mo na mag-picture, pero pwede sana kay Daffy. Yes, nice. So, kung gusto nyong maaga, ayan, pangalawang pangatlo. Para sa harap kayo sa middle.
And if I can't, how would your father have told you to do?
My father would have told me.
And to take your rightful place in the circle of life.
You like it? You like it? Yes! Okay. You want a... Ang ganda ng dalayan ko. So far. Tagal ko nang hindi nakanood kasi ng theater. So, super amazed. And ang ganda. So, sulit yung The Lion King. Kung pupunta kayo dito, unahin nyo na yun. Priority. Like it? Hindi na kami tomorrow. So, see you again, Disneyland. Okay. Come on, let's go. Here. So much fun. Wow! Yay! Day 2, then we're gonna go home tomorrow. We hope we can get flight available. See you again, maybe next year. Come on. We're gonna go back again. So, you want to go back here? Again. So, naka-shopping na yung baby ko. Wow, who's that? Who's that princess? Princess Jasmine. What?
Mommy!
Yes. Mommy will find food. Daming pagkain. Sulit na sulit. Oh. Food. Kami. Yay. Let's go. Charlotte!
Aquino International paglalakbay. Sa ngalan ng area siya ni Kapitan Ben Guillar, unang opisyal Abalos at
May energy ka pa. Come here. Watch your steps. Hey, come here. Come here. Wait ng baby ko. So, tip before going to anywhere, mag-travel with a toddler. Kailangan isasabihin mo siya. No, anak. No. Wala pa pa. So, let's check. Shopee. Hindi talaga madaling mag-travel with a toddler. Pero kaya. Kaya siya. Always double check kung sa ito yung pangalan niyo. Yan. Nakikita niyo naman. Pero ako. Yung stroller.